Hello everyone, I am Deepika. I have completed my BTech in the stream of ECE in Vinusha Institute of Technology, and I have joined Q and JSpiders in the month of May. And after joining to the JSpiders and Qspiders, I have learned many things like core Java, advanced Java, and SQL and manual testing and web technology, and all these were taught by many faculties here. And the core Java was taken by Anupama ma'am and Rahul sir, and SQL and manual testing was taken by Uma Shankar sir, and then web technology was taken by Shraj sir. And for every company, grooming is the most important thing where we can recall everything. So for me, this grooming was taken by Pawan sir, and after I got placed in the company called as Synechron. And if you wanted to increase your skills and technical skills and wanted to build your career in IT sector, please join Q and JSpiders Hebbal branch. Thank you.